How to copy Gmail account link and email link or URL. So first, you have to go to the Chrome. Now once you're in the Google, just search your Gmail. Now once you're in here, just click your Gmail. Now just don't click open the Gmail app, just use the web version. Now once you're in here, I have to tell you this because this is how to do it. So just click Food Panda or any any email you want. So just click that. Now once you're in here, you could copy here. As you can see, copy copy the details here because this is the URL of your email. So whether you are in Gmail or any email platforms, just like Gmail, you could copy in here in the top and copy that, and that's it.